In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail search not working. If your Yahoo Mail search isn't returning results or just keeps spinning, don't worry, this walkthrough will get you back on track. We'll start by getting into your account and verifying the issue, then use a quick browser cleanup to restore the search tool. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. At the top right, select Sign In. Enter your account credentials as you normally would. If you're asked for a verification code, follow the prompt to complete sign in. Keep your information secure and avoid entering sensitive details anywhere other than the official sign in page. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. This takes you to your messages and, importantly, to the search bar at the top of the page. Now, try the search itself. Click in the search bar and type a keyword. This could be a sender's name, a subject line, or a word you know appears in the message you're looking for. Then run the search. Normally, you should see matching emails and filters you can adjust. If instead you're getting empty results when you know the message exists, or the search hangs or errors out, that confirms the issue we're fixing, the most reliable quick fix is to clear your browser's cache. Cached files are temporary data your browser stores to speed up loading, but when they become outdated or corrupted, features like Yahoo Mail Search can break. Clearing the cache removes those stale files without deleting your emails or changing anything in Yahoo itself. To do that, click the three dots at the top right of your browser window. This opens the browser menu. From there, look for the option to clear browsing data, often labeled clear browsing data, or settings, then privacy and security. Choose to clear cached images and files. If you can choose a time range, selecting the last few weeks or all time gives the most thorough reset. Make sure you're only clearing cache if you want to keep things like saved passwords. Confirm to complete the cleanup. When that's done, return to yahoo.com. If you're asked to sign in again, do so, then click the mail icon to reopen your inbox. Try your search one more time with the same keyword. In most cases, the results should now appear quickly and accurately. And that's it. Going to Yahoo, signing in, opening mail, testing search, and then clearing your browser cache via the three-dot menu is a simple sequence that resolves the vast majority of Yahoo Mail search glitches.